Hello students, I hope all of you are doing well. I am your computer teacher. Today I have came up with the lesson 2 question answers of class 6. As I have already discussed the lesson 1 in your earlier classes, I will discuss the question answers to make you understand the question answers in a better way. So let's start. Question number 2A. How will you create system administrator account? How will you create a system administrator account? You have to write the steps. To create a system administrator account, we should follow the steps given below. We should follow the steps to create a system administrator account. Click start. First we have to click on the start button, then go to control panel. Click add or remove user accounts. After that, we have to click on add or remove user accounts option. Number 3. Click create a new account. Then we have to click on create a new account option. Type an account name. We have to give the account a name there. Select administrator. Then we have to select administrator. Then after that click create account. Then we have to click on create account. After that your account will be created. The next question number B. How will you add or change a picture of your account? So how can you add or change a picture of your account? To add or change a picture of our account, we should number 1 go to the control panel home pane. You have to click on first control panel home pane. You have to first go to the control panel home pane. Click the account name or picture. You have to click on the account name or picture there. Number 2, click change the picture option. You have to then click on the change the picture option. Number 3, select a picture or click browse for more pictures. You have to select a picture from there, or we can browse for more pictures in the browse for more pictures option. To select one of our own. To select a picture from ourselves. Click change picture button. Then you have to click on change picture button. Then the picture of your account gets changed. Number C. Why should you have multiple user accounts? Why should we have multiple user accounts in a computer? User accounts allows each user to have their own desktop where they can organize their own files and folders. What user accounts allow us? User accounts allows each user to have their own desktop and where they can organize their own files and folders. So if we are sharing a computer with multiple people, user account will help each user to have their own settings. So if we share a computer with multiple people, like in an office or at your home, we are sharing only one computer to many people, then user account will help us to have our own settings to the computer. That is why we should have multiple user accounts. That is why we should have multiple user accounts. So we can when we are sharing a computer with multiple people, we can have our own user account, have our own settings in our own user accounts. So number D. What is the difference between administrator and standard user accounts? So we have to discuss the difference between administrator and standard user account in this question. The difference between administrator and standard user account is administrator account is a special account used for making certain changes to system settings or managing other people's accounts. Administrator account is a special account which is used for making certain changes to the system. It is a special user account. Special account, administrator account is a special account which is used for making certain changes for the system or managing other people's accounts. On the other hand, standard account is the basic account we use for normal and everyday tasks. But standard is account is the basic account which we use for normal and everyday tasks. So the questions, this much are the questions. I hope all of you have understand the question answers. Thank you.